I just have one wish, and I hope this is also something that will ring true in your story. That in your individual stories of heroism, you will not feel alone. You will not feel that there's no one to support. That you're like being thrown out in the sea. Because we have a government. We have a government that looks after you. No matter where you go, kasi po, we have more than 10 million Filipinos all over the world. I think 10% of the population. And if you look, siguro, if you drop a pin in the global map, there will always be a Filipino. So, even in North Korea. So, our government is concerned about your welfare, about your rights, about your future. And not just you, but also your family. So, we have come a long way. Ang government ko has experienced a lot of growing pains in migration since the 1970s. I heard somebody who came here in the 80s, but actually our policy of supporting migration started way back in the 70s. So since then up to now, we are learning. We're not saying we're perfect. We're not saying we are always there for you, although we would like to. But since then, we have come a long way and we have learned so many things and have improved on our services. Exhibit A, ito po, this is our OFW Global Center. It's the first in the world. We have such a center that's dedicated to all of you. So you can use this anytime, Sunday and Thursday, of course, and for free. So you can do any program, activity, and we also try to provide through OWA, our welfare officer will be also all kinds of services. Financial literacy, counseling, even yoga, so legal services, entrepreneurship, so livelihood services to help you prepare for your eventual day of returning to your India. So as Ms. Daisy said, let us not forget that one day we should all be going back. Unless you're a citizen already, Hong Kong or China. But one day, we should all be going back, and we should be going back with a smile. I heard a story, di ba kanina, we heard every time she goes back to the Philippines, there's always someone who passed away, or every time she goes back home, she's always in tears. I hope the next time you go back home, you will be celebrating and with all your loved ones and friends. So that's the aim of the government, to help us all go back home safely and joyfully. So that's our dream as well. So hopefully that commitment will not just remain a dream, but a reality for all of you here in Hong Kong and for the rest of our OFWs. Magandang hapon po.
Thank you, Conjen. Certificate of appreciation is presented to Conjen Victor Romulo M. Israel Jr., our guest speaker during the anniversary of Social Justice Migrant Workers, which the theme OFW's Heroic Sacrifices, Carrying Commitment into a Dream. Signed, Edgardo Ranosa Jr., Advisor, Founder and President Marites Palma, Lizel Gases, General Secretary. Thank you, Conjen. So let's move forward. May we call our taekwondo.